Hello, viewers and visa applicants. We are Africa Digital Tour and your visa application guide. We want to explain the Tanzania Business Visa Online, its fees, requirements, and process. Step-by-step guide for the eligibility of business travelers. Here's everything you need to know about the Tanzania Business Visa Online process. The Tanzania Business Visa Online is designed for foreign nationals traveling to Tanzania for short-term business purposes, such as attending meetings, trade shows, or conferences, conducting business negotiations or contracts, and participating in professional assignments or short-term projects. How to apply for a Tanzania Business eVisas Online. Step 1. Choose the right visa type. For most travelers, the Tanzania Business eVisa. It allows a single-entry business visa, valid 90 days, $250 USD, or a multiple-entry business visa, valid 12 months, 90 days per entry, $300 USD. Step 2. Apply online. Head to the online official Tanzania and fill out the online visa application form with your personal and travel details. Step 3. Gather and upload documents. You'll need passport valid for at least 6 months, recent passport size photo, flight itinerary, accommodation booking or invitation letter. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. Visa fees are paid securely online using a debit or credit card. The business e-visa fees, valid 90 days, $250 USD, or multiple entry business visa, valid 12 months, 90 days per entry, $300 US. Step 5. Wait for processing. Visa applications usually take 3 to 10 business days. Apply at least 3 weeks before your travel date to avoid delays. Step 6. Print your visa approval letter. Once approved, you'll receive a visa grant notice by email. Print this document to present on arrival. Step 7. Enter Tanzania. Present your printed visa approval letter at immigration upon arrival at major entry points, such as Dar es Salaam, Kilimanjaro, or Zanzibar airports. Your passport will be stamped, and you're ready to enjoy Tanzania. For all visa support, visit www.africatourvisa.com. Thank you, and welcome to Tanzania.